Multiply 98 by 56 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Put 8 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 9 plus the carried 4 is 58. The first partial product is 588. Now use the tens digit, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 8 is 40. Put 0 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 9 plus the carried 4 is 49. The second partial product is 4,900. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 9 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 4 plus the carried 1 is 5. The whole negative number product is 5,488, so 98 times 56 is 5,488.